Welcome to Internet Marketing Academy. Learn internet marketing and grow your business with KOKOSHUNGSAN. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell for the latest updates. If you like it, please like, share it, and leave comments. Thanks for your support and for helping us make the world a better place. The amount of false information available about email marketing on the net is staggering. If you are advertising your affiliate program through email campaigns, make sure you know what your responsibilities are. The lawless days of spam email are over, at least for you. SA-based advertisers. The Can Spam Act of 2003, Controlling the Assault of Non-Solicited Pornography and Marketing Act, sets forth specific requirements for advertising via email. The law has been tested numerous times since being passed, and fines have been levied, property seized, people have even been sentenced to prison. As an affiliate marketer, obviously you don't want to be on the wrong side of this law. Luckily, complying with the provisions in the law is fairly simple. Here is what it requires. No misleading or fake header information. This includes the from and to fields. No deceptive subject lines. You want your customer to know what you're selling anyway, so this should be no problem. Messages must be labeled as advertising. Again, the moral is, no sneaky stuff. An internet-based opt-out method must be provided. You have 10 days to stop emailing a person once you have received their remove request. Messages must include your business, or home, physical address. This provides accountability and a way for the customer to verify that your business is real. Breaking any of these rules could lead to a fine of up to $11,000 per violation. Honesty is now truly the best policy. You may be thinking, if this is such a big deal, why is my inbox flooded with spam every day? It's not a perfect world, and the short answer is that many of those advertisers are breaking the law. Commonly they are outside the United States in areas where prosecution may be unrealistic. You, on the other hand, would probably be quite easy to catch. Be sure to read the detailed requirements for yourself. You can find more information at the Federal Trade Commission's website, http://www.ftc.gov/spam. KOKOSHUNGSAN.uk provide multi-tier/multi-level affiliate tracking with up to 5 tiers. With the multi-tier affiliate tracking system, not only are you rewarded, you also get rewarded for encouraging other affiliates to join the affiliate program. We hope you will achieve your objectives. All the best to you. KOKOSHUNGSAN pays you to have fun. KOKOSHUNGSAN.net